Hello guys. Here is a tutorial on how to change the tail light housing on a FIAT Punto MK2. I hope you will find it helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. First, we open this little plastic cap. And next, unscrew the bolt inside of it. Now you have a cut in the carpet. You just need to open the carpet cut and unscrew the bolt behind it. Good. Now you have all the bolts removed. Now wiggle the old tail light a little bit. Sometimes they are stocked and it's a little hard to remove them. Remove the plug that is connected to the tail light. Now remove the old tail light bulb housing. You just need to unscrew 4 screws and pull it out. One screw had the threads worn out, so that's why it looks hard to remove the bulb housing. But it's not, it's pretty easy. As you can see, the housing is in very bad condition. Full of corrosion. Next, remove the light bulbs and put them in order. Don't mix them, or later will be hard to guess where they belong. Unscrew the 4 screws on the new housing. And put the light bulbs in the same place. Clean the light bulbs with a rag. And make sure the glass is very clean without any grease. This will make your light bulbs last longer. Put them all in the same place, just like it was in the old housing. Tighten all 4 screws, and you're done. Next, connect the plug and insert the tail light housing in place. Now tighten this nut. To finish, just tighten this last one. And, the job is done. Much better now. Hope it helped you somehow. Please like and subscribe to help us grow. Thanks for watching till the end.